the main entrance of the Chartres Cathedral. The bells are going bonkers because the Black Madonna is on her way. Let's go in and have a look. This is Alane, Freund, your HSP travel vlog. Just a little quick introduction. This cathedral was built in the 12th century, I believe. Could be off by a century. Now, as part of our ubiquity course, we are able to be in here when it's not open to the public. It was quite amazing this morning, and what was amazing most, although you won't be able to see it on the camera, we were in here with no lights on, just the sun at 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Just our class. It's quite dark in here with the sun coming in through the stained glass. It's absolutely beautiful. So people are already gathering. It's going to be a full house. There's no cameras during masses. There'll be a big mass here. And I won't be here for it probably because I'm exhausted. And as our teacher said, our main leader, Jim Harrison, said most of it's in French, so we don't have to worry. All of these people back here are the tourists. I'm pretty sure everybody who's with the real parade will be up there in the main church. So I did learn from Jim this morning that there are several. Wow, all the votives are lit. Normally there aren't so many lit. Beautiful. People are here praying already. Getting ready. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Sorry. Notre-Dame du Pilier, Our Lady of the Pillar. She's dressed for this ceremony today. I don't. This is the inner wall around the inner sanctum. So there are certain stained glass windows that tell the story of Mary, and V has encouraged us to call her Mary the Independent instead of Mary the Virgin. So, I look forward to exploring some of these radical Gnostic Gospels. It's all about the girl power, don't you know? And there are windows, stained glass windows. Got those. Oh, this is massive. There's a couple of women to give you a perspective. There are a couple of women. So, there are many stained glass windows here, also telling the story of Mary Magdalene. And I encourage you to look up detailed photographs of them online because my phone just does not show the beauty of it. So I mentioned before, this is where there's some construction and remodeling and renovation, what's it called? Restoration going on. So I said in another video that Jim, an expert on this cathedral, told us that this is the greatest collection, the largest collection of stained glass in Christendom. Wow.